Good morning, class 1. How are you? I hope you all are good. Okay, then. We are going to start with English grammar, and then there are 2 chapters, but then I have merged into one. So now about has, have, was, where, and had, we are going to study about this, right? So now I have written some examples, and then I'm going to show through these examples like when to use has and when to use have in a sentence. Now, for example, before teaching this or before showing this example to you, I'll give you other example like Kamla has a bucket. So Kamla is a name of a lady, auntie we have in the school, isn't it? Now she's one, we are talking about only Kamla auntie. So she has a bucket. She has a bucket. Now if I say Kamla and Usha have buckets. Now I'm talking about two. I'm talking about two ladies, isn't it? Kamla and Usha. So there are two. It becomes plural. So then what do we have to use? We have to use have. We are not going to use has. Now you can see the example. Arun, it's the name of a boy. Arun has a new bag. So Arun, we are talking about one boy, isn't it? So now she, maybe any girl. Now she has a new frock. So that way you can have many examples. I've just written 2. Okay, so is that clear to you about has? When do we use has? Okay, if it's clear to you, then we move further with the word have. Now, when do we use the word have in a sentence? Now see, when we are talking about ourselves, and then we say I, because you're talking about yourself, you'll say I. So I have a long pencil. I have a new frock. I have many toys. I have many friends, right? So we are using the word have with I. Okay? Now next, now we. Now you are there, your mummy is there, and then you are talking about everyone. So you say we. So we have lots of fruits. We have lots of fruits. So you are using have with we also. Now suppose there are many boys in the class. Okay, so you will say they have their own boxes. They have their own water tumbler, isn't it? So we are talking about, we can make out that we are talking about many boys, right? More than one. So with we use have. They have many books. So now you have to try to understand this, and you will understand now. We use the words have and has to show things that belong to us. Those things are us. Those things belong to us. Those are our things, right? So now Arun has a new bag. That bag is his, no? Now she has a new frock. That is her frock. Now I have a long pencil. We have lots of fruits. They have many books. So, and they have many friends. The same way, we use has when we talk about one person or thing, right? So, and then we also use this he, she, and it. What do we use? She has, he has, and it has. It has a long trunk if we talk about an elephant. Now, what about have? Have when we are talking about more than one person, right? Like for ourselves, I'm single, but then I'll say I have. That is there. Then you have. We are talking about only one person or many person. They have, isn't it? Now Ram and Meera have. Okay, so has and have is clear to you. Now I'm going to teach you about was, where, and had. Now let me explain you about was, where, and had. When to use it. Okay. So I have written some examples. I have underlined was. I was in my aunt's house yesterday. When? Yesterday. Isn't it? So we have to use was because that work you have already done. It is in the past tense. You have already finished. Even a minute ago, 5 minutes before also, we always use was. I was in my aunt's house yesterday. Okay, so we are using was. Now, other example I have given, I had. You're not having it now. I had lots of mangoes when last night. So we have used had, the work which you have already done. Now here try to understand. We now in the same way. Now I have done. I have done. Now we were. Now if you say we were enjoying the game when on Monday. Monday has already passed. Today is Friday, isn't it? So we were enjoying the game on Monday. So here I have used the word were. Why have I used? Because we are more than one we are talking about, isn't it? Now, so we are talking about ourselves only. So we have used I was, I had. Now, but I didn't say I have. I have lots of mangoes. Can be there. But then you will not say I wear lots of mangoes. All these words will be wrong then. So you have to write I was in my aunt's house yesterday. I had lots of mangoes last night. We were enjoying the game on Monday. Now, so or are you going to use we was enjoying? No, was we have to use for one person. You cannot write with we, you cannot write was. With they, you cannot write was, right? Now we use was, were and had to talk about something that happened earlier. Okay, that has already finished. Even I had just explained, even if that the work you have done 5 minutes or 2 minutes before, we always use the thing past tense that we have to use was, had, were, right? Now, in the same way, was. Okay, we have used I was in my aunt's house yesterday. So was. So was we have to use for one person or a thing. So was we also use with I was going home. Now he was playing. Now she was dancing. And it was running. Maybe for an animal we use the word it. So with those words also we use the word was. Okay. Now where, W-E-R-E, where. So for more than one person or thing we use the word where. Like we were, because we are many, with we. So we were enjoying the game on Monday. So for class 1, you have to just remember has, have, was, were, had, and you have very simple sentences because you are in class 1. So I hope you have understood this. Now with this, you just take your mama's help and try to finish your assignment, your exercises which are given in your book. Okay, now these I have taken my examples, and now with this I think you'll be able to do it. Okay then, bye-bye and take care.